Tired of scrambling to remember your iPhone's Wi-Fi password for a friend or new device? Today, I'm going to show you how to easily find your saved Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone using the Keychain feature, allowing you to effortlessly share them or connect other devices. Let's dive in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Passwords and tap on it. Next, you'll be prompted to unlock using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once unlocked, this screen displays all of your saved passwords for websites and apps. Use the search bar at the top to type in Wi-Fi. As you type Wi-Fi, the list will filter to show your stored Wi-Fi networks. Tap on the specific network name whose password you want to see, for example, Home Wi-Fi. This opens the network details page. Here you can see the network name, a website, and your username, if applicable. To reveal the password, tap on the password field and then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Again, your Wi-Fi password will then be displayed. There it is. You can now see your password. You can tap on the password to select it and then copy it. Use this copied password to connect any device to your Wi-Fi, whether it's another phone, a tablet, or even a laptop, and that's it. A simple way to access your stored Wi-Fi password. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips.